Today, we're going to be exploring two of my favorite topics, the chakras and food. We're going to marry those two together today. What would you do if I told you that you could completely open, activate, balance, and align your chakras just by certainly picking out foods that support those energy centers? But today, we're going to be exploring how food can do this for you. So get ready. If you're feeling grounded, I might be just sending you to the grocery store. We'll find out what food you need to pick up and explore the chakras and food. Can't wait to share. That video is coming up next. Just a quick clarification on today's video. How to heal the chakras is not going to give you a ticket in 2025 to eat junk food. We're talking about healing our energy system, so it's going to absolutely contain healthy food. So get strapped in. Here we go. We're starting at the base where it all starts, at our root. Okay, for each chakra, I will be giving the overactive and underactive characteristics so you can identify where you are in need. Let's do this. If you're feeling overactive in the root chakra, you're most likely resisting change, overeating, and could possibly even be hoarding. If you're underactive, you might be feeling fear and anxiety, maybe underweight, but also a little spaced out. So, eating red foods or foods with an intense red pigment will absolutely help you recharge and balance your root chakra. But as always, avoid the red dyes or artificially colored foods. Instead, opt for whole foods like red fruits. Don't forget, red meat is a powerful source of protein, and any root vegetable can help you ground yourself and heal this chakra. The second chakra, the sacral chakra. If you're overactive in this chakra, you might be experiencing sexual addiction, attachments to things that don't serve you, mood swings. If you're underactive, perhaps you're feeling a little emotional numbness, poor social skills, not wanting to leave the house, and maybe just feeling absolutely bored. Eating foods for the sacral chakra might be easy to identify. We're going right into the orange foods and fruits and vegetables. Eating things like oranges, tangerines, and most citrus fruits will absolutely help you in this chakra. They'll also bring balance, but don't forget vegetables like carrots, squash, and yams, and even pumpkins can also help balance, activate, and energize the sacral chakra. Healing the third chakra, the solar chakra, the power center. If you're overactive, guess what? You're probably feeling a little out of control, too controlling, dominating, and maybe even stubborn. If you're underactive, perhaps too passive with no energy, low self-esteem, and no confidence. If you're looking to heal the navel chakra, then eating foods such as bananas and pineapples and yellow bell peppers, lemons, lentils, and even oats are absolutely going to help harmonize the third chakra. Moving up to the beautiful heart center where it all comes into balance. If you're feeling overactive in this energy center, maybe you're feeling a little codependent or poor boundaries, jealousy, martyr energy, the people pleaser. If you're underactive, perhaps you're feeling a little withdrawn, critical, lonely, or no empathy. To send a little love to your heart chakra to balance and heal it, opt please for green foods. The chakra's color here is leafy greens, green vegetables, and green fruits like green apples and kiwis will absolutely help restore harmony back into that beautiful heart center. Right into the throat chakra, the Shuddha. If you're overactive in this chakra, you are most likely gossiping, maybe even stuttering or over-talking or talking too loud. If you're underactive, perhaps you're swallowing your words. You have fear of speaking, way too shy, or a weak voice. In this energy center, when you can't express yourself or speak your truth, you can actually literally lose your voice. So supporting the throat chakra can help you open up that channel and help you express yourself more. The color here is light blue, but even think of blueberries. This is a powerful antioxidant, and this is the purification center, the throat chakra. So try also ancient fig, and don't forget water. Lots of water. Moving on to the beautiful third eye chakra. If this is underactive, you might be feeling a little delusional, difficulty concentrating, or maybe even all up in your head, fantasizing too much. If you're overactive, perhaps it's a little unable to visualize or insensitivity to everything, and worse yet, negative thinking. Balancing and restoring the third eye. Eating for the third eye. So don't forget that being disillusioned by lies can certainly block the third eye. So when we're healing and in recovery to gain wisdom, we must learn the difference of how to discern between what is real and what is not, but also what can be controlled and what can be changed. So to support the third eye, we say eat darker blue foods that almost appear purple. What comes to mind is eggplant, plums, and even red grapes. The beautiful crown chakra. To restore harmony to this energy center, if you're overactive, you might be disassociating, feeling confused, all up in your head. If you're underactive, you might be closed-minded, rigid in your thinking, and maybe even experiencing spiritual cynicism. Eating and restoring for the crown chakra. Having a balanced crown chakra is a culmination of personal recovery. You can recognize your true inner self and view the world as enlightened. Collective evolution suggests light fruits and vegetables that are connected to roots for the crown. So to nourish the crown chakra, spend plenty of time outside, drink lots of water, and get plenty of beautiful sunshine. There you have it. Thank you, Soul Seekers. How would you like a homework challenge? Next time you go to the grocery store, pick up one food for each one of your chakras and notice if you feel the difference. But don't just pick out the color. Do it mindfully and do it with intention. I hope you learned something today, and I hope that you will shop next time for your chakras. Catch you at the store. Namaste.